Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I just came out of Rite Aid and picked up. These are the Oral-B 3D Action. I went in to buy this and they said this was not the right toothbrush for this coupon. I know you guys are aware of this coupon. It's all over YouTube talking about it and people are picking up this toothbrush. They went ahead and let me buy this one and marked my coupon down to $5.99 to cover that toothbrush. But they said it needs to be a power brush. And they said that this one here would work on it. So I bought these. They were $15.99, and with my 20% off card, it brought all three of these to $7. So I used some up rewards and paid tax. So I wanted to tell you guys about that deal. And then this Dove, I went ahead and used the $2 off of 2 video values, and I also used the $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. Bought 10 of them so I could get to $30, and it came to $10 plus tax, and then it printed me 2 $5 up rewards. So that ended up making those free, except for the tax. And then the other thing I picked up was the Aquafresh down there. They are $1.99, and there's a video values coupon for $1, and then there's one more coupon on Aquafresh for $1 off, making those free. So those are the deals I picked up today. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.